In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the location of Teams notifications. If you ever feel like your notifications are popping up in the wrong place on your screen, maybe covering something important or just distracting you, this simple tweak inside Microsoft Teams can make a big difference. We're going to walk through the exact steps to move those pop-ups to a spot that works better for you, whether that's a corner you don't use much or just the opposite side of where they are now. First, make sure you have the Teams app open on your computer. Look up to the top right corner of the window, where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Right next to that, there's a small icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you'll control most of the behavior of the app, including notifications. Once the Settings window opens, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Notifications and Activity. This section is specifically designed for how, when, and where Teams alerts you about messages, calls, and other updates. Inside the Notifications and Activity area, scroll down until you see a section labeled Display. This is where Teams lets you control how notifications actually appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on the Display section to expand it if it isn't already open. Within Display, look for an option called Position on the screen. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down, and you'll be given a few different choices for where your notifications can appear: bottom right, bottom left, or top left. Take a moment to think about where you usually keep your important windows. For example, if you often have toolbars or chat windows on the right side, you might prefer moving notifications to the left. If you tend to miss alerts, choosing the top right or top left might put them more in your line of sight. Once you've picked your preferred position from the list, that's it. Your change is saved automatically. The next time you get a Teams notification, it will show up in the new location you selected, helping you stay notified without getting in your way.